If I could describe DM Design Studio in 3 words, it would be prompt, reliable, and just easy to deal with. I'm Cam from Foamcraft Floors. I've been in business for 18 months now here on the Goldie. Our overall experience working with DM Design Studio has been great. It's been easy, there's been no stress, everything's worked, everything they've said they're going to do, they've delivered. It's just been a hassle-free process. So before working with DM Design Studio, we're facing a few challenges around people not being able to get in contact with us. By the time they were finally getting in contact with us, they were over the whole process and we couldn't get the job across the line. We needed an online presence, we needed the website, we needed branding, and ultimately we needed SEO. Once we got them on board, we got all that sorted, started ranking on Google, inquiries started coming, haven't looked back. The communication throughout the whole process has been easy, they're always there, always reachable. Prompt replies, nothing's too hard, and it's not like they disappear once they've got your business, they're there and they keep working with you and keep wanting to improve. I'd recommend DM Design Studio to anyone looking to get traction online, expand their website, new website, just to get that online presence up to scratch. I wouldn't hesitate.